Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Iowa County in south central Wisconsin, northwestern Dane County in south central Wisconsin, southeastern Sauk County in south central Wisconsin until 1:45 p.m. At 12:55 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located.
Did they confirm large and extreme dangerous tornado? Whoa. This is a PDS 1. It is likely it's gonna hit the city of Sauk City. Oh, I think. Pray.
At 12:55 p.m., law enforcement reported a tornado north of Barneville.
Law enforcement? Wow.
Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without
It's likely
shelter.
in the city.
Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible.
Whoa.
Locations impacted include Prairie du Sac, Sauk City.
Prairie du Sac is the intended target, and Sauk City is another intended village target in Wisconsin. All residents in the village of Prairie du Sac and Sauk City, please seek shelter immediately. This tornado is likely to be an EF2, EF3, or something.
Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee